Hello gang, Jesse here at AC Auto Repair. Wanted to check in with you and actually ask for your help. So my marketing company reached out to me and they're like, we need your help. We need our audience's help. We're getting comments and concerns that, hey, Jesse talks too slow, Jesse talks too fast, Jesse's too monotone, Jesse's too animated, Jesse doesn't deliver enough value in his videos. Jesse delivers too much value in his videos. And so like there's all kinds of mixed opinions. And so literally wanted to create this video for you, my audience, because this is literally a judgment-free zone, right? This is an opportunity for you to like and comment on this post and just tell us what kind of content are you looking for us to deliver? What kind of videos would you like us to shoot? Would you like us to shoot more videos on car repairs? Would you like us to shoot videos on being a service advisor in this environment? Would you like us to shoot videos on being a shop owner in this environment? What about being a technician? How to become a technician? What it's like to be a technician at DC Auto Repair? Would you like to just comment and say, hey, I think Jesse's extremely boring? Like we literally get calls. Our service advisors get calls. They field calls and be like, hey, we've seen you on YouTube, blah, blah, blah. And Jesse is just like, I cannot believe it. He needs so much help, right? And so the fact that you're watching this video and the fact that we're asking for your opinion means that as you begin to type and you begin to tell us what you're looking for, we're going to be able to be better and better because of it, all right? And so makes sense. So yeah, just let us know what you're looking for. Do you think I talk too slow? Maybe you think I've got too much hair. Maybe you don't think I have enough hair. Maybe you think I'm too fat. Maybe you think I'm too skinny. Whatever the case is, you be the judge. You let your comments roll. And we look forward to having a lot of fun with this. Tag someone that you want to see this video. Like, share, comment, whatever. And we will see you in the very next video.